The 1971 UK 2 new pence coin is a fascinating piece of British numismatic history. Introduced as part of the decimalisation of the UK currency, this coin marked the beginning of a new era in British coinage. Before 1971, the UK used a system based on pounds, shillings, and pence, but the transition to a decimal system simplified calculations and aligned with modern monetary practices. The 2 new pence coin was among the first decimal coins introduced, and it featured the portrait of Queen Elizabeth II on the obverse, making it instantly recognizable. Designed by artist Arnold Machen, the obverse of the 1971 2 new pence coin showcases a youthful portrait of Queen Elizabeth II facing right, wearing the Girls of Great Britain and Ireland tiara. This portrait was used on decimal coins from 1968 to 1984 and remains one of the most iconic depictions of the Queen. Around the edge of the coin, the inscription reads, Elizabeth II, DG Reg FD, which stands for Elizabeth II, by the grace of God, Queen, Defender of the Faith. On the reverse side, the coin features the badge of the Prince of Wales, which consists of 3 ostrich feathers emerging from a coronet. The ribbon surrounding the feathers bears the German motto, Ich diene, meaning, I serve. This design was created by Christopher Ironside, a renowned coin designer responsible for many of the UK's decimal coins. Below the badge, the denomination is inscribed as new pence, followed by the number 2, clearly indicating the coin's value. The use of new pence, instead of simply pence, was a transitional measure to differentiate the decimal coinage from the old pre-decimal system. The coin itself is made of bronze, composed of 97% copper, 2.5% zinc, and 0.5% tin, giving it a distinctive reddish-brown appearance when newly minted. It has a diameter of 25.91 millimeters and weighs 7.12 grams. Over time, exposure to air and handling can cause the coin to develop a patina, resulting in a darker or even greenish hue due to oxidation. The 1971 2 new pence coin was minted in large quantities as it was part of the first batch of decimal coins introduced in the UK. Due to this high mintage, the standard circulation coin does not hold significant numismatic value in terms of rarity. Millions of these coins were produced, and they were commonly used in everyday transactions throughout the 1970s and beyond. However, certain factors can influence the value of a 1971 2 new pence coin. Coins in uncirculated or brilliant uncirculated condition, meaning they have never been used in transactions and retain their original luster, can be worth more than their face value. Collectors often seek out such well-preserved examples, which may fetch a few pounds in the numismatic market. Coins graded by professional agencies, as mint state, can command even higher prices, depending on their grade and overall condition. Proof versions of the 1971 2 new pence coin were also produced as part of special mint sets. These proof coins were struck using specially polished dies and planchets, resulting in a high-quality finish with sharp details and a mirror-like surface. Proof coins are more valuable than standard circulation coins and can be worth several times their face value, especially if they are housed in their original Royal Mint packaging. Another factor that can affect the value of this coin is errors or minting anomalies. Although rare, errors such as misstrikes, off-center strikes, or coins struck on the wrong planchet can significantly increase the desirability and value of a coin among collectors. If a 1971 2 new pence coin exhibits any of these rare errors, it may be worth substantially more than a standard example. While the 1971 2 new pence coin is not particularly rare, it holds historical significance as part of the decimalisation process that transformed British currency. The transition to decimal coinage was a monumental shift, and these early decimal coins are a tangible link to that important period in British monetary history. Although many 1971 2 pence coins remain in circulation or in the hands of collectors, finding one in pristine condition can still be an exciting discovery. For those interested in collecting British coins, the 1971 2 pence coin is an essential addition to any decimal coin collection. Whether as a nostalgic keepsake, a historical artifact, or a potential investment, this coin continues to captivate numismatists and history enthusiasts alike. If you happen to have a 1971 2 pence coin, examining its condition and checking for any unique features can help determine its potential value. As with all collectible coins, rarity, condition, and demand play crucial roles in establishing market worth, making each coin a unique piece of numismatic history.